Hi guys, how you doing? This is Dan with Index Option Trading on November 15th before the market close, and here's a quick chart on Apple. If you take a look at it, Apple has been consolidating here in this range here. Nice tight flag. Is kind of a bull flag that is making. It's getting a little overbought here, but from neutral to overbought readings. And let's take a look at Apple very close on 20-day 30-minute charts, and you can see here it's consolidating and basing here in a nice pattern here, and its resistance is about 204. So this is a beautiful pattern, a classic textbook example. Any break above 204 would be long. We already have positions on it at 195, and so this would be a great play as terms of longs, and we're looking to play this thing to the upside. Most likely this should break out to the upside. Anyway, so let's go back to and take a look at BIDU, BIDU here, and this is a quick chart on BIDU, 20-day 30 minutes. And what this is, BIDU has made a top here on October 26th, and then it made another piercing top here on November 11th. This pattern is a classic textbook pattern. It's known as Adam and Adam double top. Adam's tops, and there are Eve tops and Adam tops, but this is an Adam, and this is also an Adam with the pointed spike here, and that is a very classical pattern. But this stock really refuses to go down even in this double top formation, and what it is doing is going here and making a bull flag here and then rising up here slightly to 432. Any buy above, so we really have to see in how this performs, if this is a real double top or this is going to be a failure of the double top in Baidu. Any buy over 432 would be longs. We should be playing this thing here, and this is the rising trend line here on Baidu. Let's move on and take a look at PCLN. This stock went up berserk on the day of its earning, and it hit 207, and since then it has come down and is now making a nice tight flag here. This flag formation here is very nice in consolidation, and any break above 201, 203 should be a buy here. So that should be a very good way to go into this long on this stock here. We're looking at several positions. This is the rising trend line, and this is the 201 and above is the buy point on this stock. Let's look at close look at GS. And GS has not been that fortunate. It has this downward trending channel. It came down here and broke out from here on November the 9th, and since then it has not been able to perform and go above this 50-day moving average. Any close above 178, it's a long. Then the stock should be able to run smoothly to 180s and 185 and so on and so forth. And one more stock we should look at it is Google. We haven't done anything with this thing. Google is also running up. These are all 20-day 30-minute charts, and we're looking at it up close. Google has run up here and is forming a nice bull flag as well, and most likely this was trying to break out here 572. Any break above 572 is a buy, so the long positions can be initiated here. Let's just back off and take a look at these things a little bit from a distance here. This is what Google looks like on a year-to-date chart here, and 572 is holding up here. It's getting between neutral to overbought conditions. The volume has been declining as it moves up, so it is a consolidation pattern, and there should be a break above here as well. Baidu, if you want to take a look at it here from a distance, these are the double tops that we mentioned earlier, and it's making a bull flag. This is the trend line, 50-day moving average at 400, and decreasing volume here on this side. The stock is still between neutral to overbought conditions. PCLN, we're taking a look at it here year to date, and it has formed a classical textbook example bull flag here with this sharp spike on the earnings and then a sideways motion here. So that is all here for today, and I will be talking to you with new setups here during the week. and thank you for listening.